Hey everyone, so this video I'm going to go over how to use the ADX indicator. It is also known as the average directional index. So first, how to get that onto your TradingView screen. You're going to right click and then go down to insert indicator and then go to just type in ADX and it'll be this third one right here. It might be a little bit lower on some people's screens. It'll be the one that has around 1,500 likes though. Just make sure it is this one because if you do use a different one, sometimes they don't work the same as this one. This one's the best ADX to use. So just click on that and then exit that and then go to format. And then just to make it easier to see, I'll take it to this third notch right here. And then I will change this to 25. I'll explain that in a second, what that has to do. And then also you want to add a line at 40. So let me move this over. So just add a horizontal line at about 40. So right there. And what the 40 line does is whenever the market gets to that price or that those numbers above 40, it's more than likely going to do a trend change. So that means if the market was moving up, like right here, you'll see the market was moving up, and then once it hit this 40, then it started to do a downtrend. So it changes trends. So just like right here, on this point right here, it was on a downtrend, and then it switched to an uptrend right here. So that'll just help you as another indicator while using, or this will help you while using the ADX. So whenever say you're in a buy or you're looking for a buy, you really don't want to, if the market was moving up right here, you really don't want to be buying at this point whenever the ADX line is at 40. You'd really be looking for a sell point. So that's how you would use that. Also, what the 25 line does is it tells you when the market is trending. So you'll see right here how the ADX line, the black line, was below 25, and then you'll see the market was really just consolidating right there. It wasn't moving too much. Just like right in this little area right here, the ADX line was down here. The market was just moving sideways. So you really don't want to get into a trade whenever the ADX line is below the 25 because the market isn't in a trending market. So there's not a point to get into it. You would wait till the market is in a trending market with the ADX above the 25. So that's how you use those two lines right there. How to trade the ADX. So say like right here, you're looking for a buy. So how I would have looked for a buy on the ADX is I would have been waiting for the red to be pointing down like it was right here, and then the green to be pointing up. And then it crossed right there. But normally I will get into trades before they cross. I won't wait till they cross. Some traders will wait till the ADX lines cross right there, or the positive and then the negative. So I will just wait for the red to be pointing down if I'm looking for a buy, and then the green to be pointing up. So that's how you'd be looking for a buy right there. For a sell, it'll just be the opposite. So like right here, the red and the green crossed. So the green was up here a little bit, and then the red came and crossed, and then the market started moving down. Let me find a little better of an example. So just like right here. So just like right here, where was it? So how the green was above the 25 right here, and then you saw the green was coming down, and then the red was pointing up. So that would have been an indicator that or an indication that you're looking, or it's going to sell. So that would have just been another confirmation if that you're already looking at a sell, that it's going to be a sell, and then the price is going to move down. So that's how I will use the ADX indicator. Just remember that whenever the ADX line, the black line, is getting close to 40 or is above 40, just watch out for a trend change because it's more than likely going to do a trend change. Also remember that you don't want to get into a trade when the ADX line is below the 25. So also another tip, if the ADX line is below the 25, just check the 30-minute chart because sometimes the 30-minute it will be above the 25 and it will be trending. So if it is, then you can get into the trade. That's okay. So that's just some tips with the ADX, and that's going to be the end of this video.